Okay, guys. So I want to show you guys again how to trade against the spikes, against spikes on boom and crash. Going against spikes is always very challenging, yeah. But if you know what you're doing, you see it's as simple as going in the spikes direction. Okay, so um I want to really help you guys out here because I've been getting more of these requests that it's always tough for them is if it's possible to go against the spikes. Okay. And some people says whenever they go against the spikes, market will just spike, boom or crash will just spike and take everything away from them. So I want you guys to understand that boom and crash is just like every other asset on this platform. The same way crash 1000, oh, sorry, the same way step index will go up, dance around and come down back to your entry, back very close to your SL and start going up. It's the same thing boom or crash is doing. As it is now, it's going up, right? The same way step index of VIX 50 will go up, it's going up now. The only thing is that this one goes up because its normal movement is up, crash goes up, and then there's a crash, there's a spike, and it comes down immediately. So now at the same time, your step index will be dancing up and down, start going up. Then after a while, start dancing down to your entry, below your entry, close to your SL, and then start going up. It's the same way. This one will move very slow to a certain level, it will spike, and then start going up again, get to a certain level, it will spike, then start going up higher than the previous high. So it's just how its movements is. But if your analysis is right, you get the same result. Okay, so now let's say, let me quickly just show you guys everything you need to know. I'll delete everything here. I'll delete this analysis and start again from afresh for you guys to see how to equally go against the spike like I always do. All right. Okay, so please, if you're new on our channel, please show some support by liking and subscribing to this channel. Comment and share our videos with your friends. Right, send it to those big groups for everybody to learn and start making money with our videos. Okay, so yeah, look at this on the 4 hours chart. On the 4 hours chart, let's not go to the daily. Even if you go to the daily, okay, let's start from the daily. Okay, so these are our daily charts here. You can see price is on a key support. This is a support. Price is on a key support. Right? We have at least 2 touches on the daily. We have 1 and 2 where price has been reversing from up and down. All right. So this is a key support here. That's alone. This one alone is enough for you to know what's going to happen. The price will be going up from there, probably. So after that, you go to your 4 hours chart. So this is my 4 hours chart. On the 4 hours chart, price went below our supports here. And then I started pushing up again and again. So now on the 4 hours chart, we see that market started pushing up. So the market started pushing up to this point. Then there was a little bit of a reversal. The market went above this resistance zone and went up. Then on the 1 hour chart, you see that market came back after a break of this line here. After this level was broken, after this line was broken, market actually went up and back to this point again and tested this level and confirmed it's a support. Remember before, when price was below this very line, this was serving as a resistance. This line was serving as a resistance. It was serving as a resistance. So now when price went above this line, went up and back to this point and confirmed it's a support. Then after that, we had this rejection, long rejection, and if you check on the 30 minutes time frame, you see that rejection is actually a very sweet one. All right, so market has given us a good confirmation. So before you take a trade, you need to have so many confirmations. Now you can see there was a rejection and there was a confirmation. This is a hammer. This is a hammer. This candlestick confirmation, this is a hammer. Okay, so let's say we keep our resistance right there. So this is a hammer. So you can see the hammer printed on this on this support. That shows that there's a bullish pressure in the market. We have more buyers because when this candlestick was forming to the downside, buyers stepped in and dragged price to the upside, upward, and that's why we are pushing up, right? Market is going up, right? So yeah, that's the whole stuff, right? So now at this point, we have so many confirmation. We have the support on the daily, key support on the daily. We had the strong bullish move on the 4 hours chart. Then we had a retest even on the 1 hour. We had a retest here back to this line, and there was a long rejection and a good confirmation on the 30 minutes time frame, which is this candlestick, though we didn't see it on time, which is this candlestick. See this very candlestick. This is a confirmation. This is a good confirmation. Then after this candlestick is supposed to be an entry here. You're supposed to make an entry right there. Entry is supposed to be here, right? Then the SL is supposed to be below this, the low of this candlestick. But since I didn't see it on time, but then I know that markets will be going off till tomorrow and next tomorrow. So now at this point, we are in to catch all these moves from here to here, $100. From here to here, $100. So if it goes against us, we're losing roughly $20, 19 point something dollars. All right, so you can see that. So we had so many confirmation. We had the support on the daily. We had candlestick confirmation on the 4 hours chart, and we had a break and retest on the 1 hour and a confirmation. Our entry confirmation, which is on the 30 minutes time frame. This candlestick here, yeah, that's our entry confirmation. So that's what triggered my entry. Triggered me to open a position, right? So now we're running good profits. As you can see, we're running good profits, and the VIPs are enjoying. All right, so this is it, guys. This is how we grow. This is how we do this stuff. This is how we go against the spike without having to worry about anything. If we were going in the spike direction, I'll still do the same thing and without worrying about or disturbed about anything. All right, so even if it spikes as it stands, it might spike because this looks like a minor resistance zone. It might spike around this level back to this point. Definitely, if my analysis is right, and we're going up all the way up to my TP. I'm not joking. This is real. That's simple. So yes, guys, that's how to go against spikes without having to worry about anything, without having to, without having an indicator to tell you what to do or a robot to direct on how to do. So here is how to go against the spike, guys. That's simple. Okay. That's simple. So when you're going against the spike, you don't have to be afraid. It's just like trading other assets. As it's dancing up, comes back to your entry and all. This one moves at once, and then there will be a spike back to this level. Then it start going again, spike back, because market moves in waves, so it must spike down to be able to go up. So that's how it is. All right, guys. So I think that is what you need to know about going against the spike. If you need more videos on how to either go against the spike or trade in the spike direction, just drop a comment on this video, share this video. Let's make money together. Let's grow together. Don't forget to join the academy. Our academy is open. Make sure that next year you don't close next year without knowing how to trade or to analyze the financial markets. Stop depending on indicators. You need to have this skill on your own. You need to have this skill. You need to start making money on your own anywhere you are. Start printing money. Okay. So stop wasting time on YouTube watching random stuff. You need to learn. Join our academy. Join the VIP group. Let's make money. If you have a money for accounts management, just hit me up from $200 above. Let's deal. Okay, guys. So this is Crash 1000. I told you guys earlier that I'll be buying and gonna hold till this point. This is my target. This is my overall target here up to this point. Right. So you can see we are still running good profits. We're still running good profits. though we've not gotten to our target or anywhere close to our targets, but then this is a clear move. So you can see indicator will never tell you how long you need to go, right? How far, or your target, what's your target really, right? Indicator will never tell you anything like that. But when you're trading the live markets, the naked charts, I'm a naked trader. I trade the naked charts. So just bring my charts like this and open and bring in just trend line and horizontal line tools to do my analysis, right? So those are the things I use. Those are the tools I use here for my analysis. Okay, so once I bring them together, I know what to do. So this might seem very hard, very tough for you to do, but it's a very simple thing. The only thing you need after doing this will be the experience, to get the experience. And how do you get the experience? By every day, practicing every day, opening your charts and do your analysis every day. Trust me, you'll be so surprised what's going to happen in just a month's time, 1 month's time, or less than 2 months time. Okay, so I have students that are sharing their testimonies every day. Like this morning, one of my students just shared. Let me quickly do that so that you see. So this is my student, right? All right, so it just dropped a setup for me today. That okay, so this is it. That good morning major, it showed me on VIX 75. You see, this person just joined like in less than 1 month, is doing fine. He can tell you what he's seeing in the market, and I told him, okay, this is what you're gonna do. You need to close out for now and wait for market to do, and it's playing out perfectly and I'm showing. So one thing about my academy, once you join my academy, you have easy access to me anytime. You can talk to me, communicate with me anytime, and there'll be no issue, no challenge at all. Okay, so this person joined my academy not even up to a month. He can show you the testimonies. He has been making money, right? I can show you the testimony. I can't load this media anymore because I deleted my app. So I can show you the testimony and everything. The guy is so good in just less than 1 month. So what I'm trying to say here is, it's not a big deal. It might seem like a big deal, like something you need to learn and learn and learn because the chart looks very scary. How do they even start? Once you start knowing the first thing, the second thing, you're definitely going to know everything. Okay, and I have a very simple way to where I analyze and show a few steps to approach to how I do my analysis. Do you understand? So all you need to do is just chat me up, check the description of this video to join my academy. Chat me up, let's talk. I'm always there to listen to you, to assist you any way possible. Okay, so yeah, so that's the crash 1000. We're still running profit. I can see this is our target, and I moved my SL above entry. That's my SL there above entry. In case market comes against me when I'm not aware, it will just hit and I'll close with little profit. All right, guys. So this is it, guys. You need to learn price action. Please don't send money to somebody to do an investment for you. I don't ask money for investment, and I will never chat you first. Okay, so yeah, VIP signals. We're giving VIP signals, mentorship, and account management. You have up to $200 above. I can manage your account. We share profits and we do stuff together, right? So join the group, join the family. Let's do it. Check the description of this video to join our free Telegram channel. Subscribe to this video, to this channel, like and comment. Thanks, guys. That'll be all for now. Bye bye.